Hi everyone, we're here today at Peytons Ridge, where we're going to interview a dear friend and past client, Angel, and she's going to tell us what she loves about where she lives. Come on. First, I'm really excited to see the ducks. If you guys know me, I'm a sucker for animals, and there are ducks everywhere. They're the Peytons Ridge ducks, right? So we're getting ready to meet Angel at her house, kind of go over what she loves about the neighborhood, what she loves about living here. There's so many awesome things about the community here, and seeing it from or hearing it from her perspective is going to be something I think everyone is going to enjoy. Okay, we've arrived.
Oh my God, it's so good to see you.
Oh, you ready to do this?
Yeah, I'm so excited to show you the lake. It's so pretty. Well, we initially moved to Peytons Ridge in 2012 when it was on phase 2. We were one of the first houses. And the biggest reason that we moved here was we loved the floor plan. The houses really had touches that we had not seen in other homes. Even though they're, a lot of the same floor plans, they do have a lot of originality inside each home. And then when we found out that phase 5 was going to include the lake, we decided that we wanted to be on the lake, and we had also been faced with our son being diagnosed with terminal illness, and so due to the fact that he is disabled and will decline, we decided to build a home that was ADA compatible to meet his needs in the future. And so that is why we moved. The reason we stayed here is because we love the camaraderie of our neighborhood, and it is truly a family-friendly neighborhood.
A community.